Superclean, they gave me a free product to try out, this bottle. It's a degreaser, and I'm going to try it on an engine block that has grease on it. And we'll see how it does. Okay, so this is a 2003 Cobra block, and it has a lot of grease buildup, all that. So we're going to clean it. So on here it says you can use it on engines, tools, grills, all that. If you can read that. And so we're gonna use it on the engine. See how see all the grease in the bottom, all the dark spots. Okay, so we're gonna let it sit. Scrubbing off all the grease.
Just loosening up all the dirt, right?
Yeah. There's a lot of dirt built up. You get a screwdriver.
It's like almost 20 years of grease.
Look at all that rust that came out. That's not hiding under the grease. See the difference? It got a lot cleaner. There's still some water residue left over, but we're gonna do a second coating of Superclean. This is gonna be the last coating. I'm gonna let it sit for another 3-4 minutes and then scrub again. Okay, this is what it looks like after I hosed it down. Not hosed, use a spray bottle. I don't have it here. And it got a lot of grease off, but the hard part is cleaning out the crevices. But overall, all this is clean. You can see all the rust that was underneath the grease. So, did a good job. It doesn't smell that bad. I mean, it's not a strong smell is what I meant. But I'm gonna clean a few more other things with it.